Okay guys, today I'm going to do my unboxing of the Paralenz Vaquita. Okay, straight away I notice it's cardboard and paper packaging, so very environmentally friendly. Okay. And outer sleeve. Two tabs. And this just lifts out. Okay. Empty box. Two separate boxes. I'll open the big one first. So in this box is the camera itself. Comes in this nice, very durable bag, like that. Okay. And this is the Paralenz itself. Not too heavy. Looks really ruggedly built. That feels good, turning that. You can definitely tell when it's clicked into place just by the feel. And that definitely feels a solid push. Okay. So that is the case. It definitely didn't come off that easily. Okay. So no worries of that underwater. And there's the screen and the charging and the micro SD. Okay. Okay, clips on nice like that.